In this video, I'll show you how you can take profit from eToro. Now, what you want to do is you can head over to Discover, and from in here, you just want to find anything, any stock, whichever one you want to do. So let's just do Tesla for this one. Then what you want to do is you want to press on the trade. Now, inside of trade, you can just do a market order. This is fine. Then press buy. And once this is bought, we want to head over to our portfolio. So let's just wait for this one to pop up. And okay, it's pending open. So let's just skip this one. Let's just choose one of the others. But what you want to do when you've bought them is you want to come here and you want to click on the stock or whichever one. Once you're in here, you should see a take profit. So just click on take profit and you can select where you want to take the profit. So you can choose whichever one you want. So let's say you want to do take profit at this price. Just press set and this will now be your take profit. And just press update and you can see now your take profit is here. So that is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.